So now let's see how we can work around with the selection option inside of Tinkercad. So if I were to go around into the box section right here, bring in a box right here, bring in a cylinder right there, a sphere right there, a cone right there, and a roof right here, then what we can do is we can select out objects by clicking on them. But if I want to select out multiple objects, then what I can do is to select all, I can simply press Ctrl A on my keyboard and then everything is selected. And once everything is selected, I can go around and resize these out together, as you can see, or I can go around and then change the position of these or rotate them and so forth as per what I like. Another way to select out things is by just drawing a box right here, and you can see that that object within that selection box is selected. You can also go around and then just barely touch the items that you want to select by the bounding box, and then that item is selected. If I were to go around and hold shift on my keyboard and click on the object, hold shift, then multiple objects as per what I click will be selected. So if I want to select these 3 objects, I can hold shift, and I can hold shift and drag around, and these 3 objects are selected, as you can see. So if I were to go around and then move these out, those 3 objects are selected. If I were to hold shift again and click on it, then that object is deselected. Let's say, for example, if I were to click all of these, and if I were to click on this one, then that is deselected. So only these 4 objects are now selected. I can hold shift, click on it, and now everything is selected, as you can see right there. And that is how you can work around with selecting objects. You can select all objects and select multiple objects inside of Tinkercad. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.